Hello, weekend crafter. Welcome back to the Craft Time Studio. This is Ange, your weekend crafter, and for this weekend, I am playing with translucent clay. Translucent clay is beautiful, but it is also very tricky to work with. If this is something that interests you, I hope that you consider liking and subscribing to the Craft Time Studio for your weekend dose of crafts. For the purposes of this experiment, I will only be using one brand of translucent clay, which is Sculpey. Based on what Ellen Andall shares in her Instagram, the way to achieve translucency is to condition the clay as little as possible. So today, the experiment really is to see what techniques we can apply to make conditioning much easier. This is what normally happens to my translucent clay. I condition it repeatedly, and this apparently traps air or moisture in between the clay that causes flaking or these small white opaque spots. Once baked, it looks like this. So for my first experiment, I got some translucent clay, sealed it inside plastic, and dipped it into some hot water. It looks like I'm making tea, right? I press it inside the plastic, and then when I feel I can press it in between my fingers, I take it out of the water. Then I pass it through the roller, first in a thicker setting like a 6, then to a thinner setting, all the while not folding it. Once baked, this is how it looks like. As you can see, it is so much better, there is almost no plaque. I think though that next time I would use a Ziploc because any moisture that gets into the clay will still result into some plaque. For my final experiment, I just placed my clay in between warm hands, or you can even sit on it for warmth. Then without removing it from the plastic, I roll it slowly with a plastic roller before I even put it through my pasta roller. This is how it looked like, and I think it really gave the best result among the 3 tries. I am going to make a mini project using this, which is like a translucent ribbon. And this is the translucent clay with a plaque. And this is the translucent ribbon without the plaque. And of course, it looks so much better. Another advice I can give is to roll the translucent clay as thin as possible. This is why I thought that the perfect project to make with this would be a ribbon that I made into bag charms. I hope that this video will help you enjoy using translucent clay because it has definitely made me happier to use this type of clay. Have a crafty weekend. Bye!